Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Galaxy Digital, and on this chart I am tracking this mainly as a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up, a fourth down, and now I am expecting to complete the fifth wave to the upside. Now based on how low we retraced in the fourth wave to the downside, I would have to consider this a diagonal pattern to make this viable as a 5-wave move. Otherwise, I would need to consider this as a 1-2-1-2 setup, and then I could see a 5-wave move forming in this area. But otherwise, in the green scenario, and until we actually have more structural data, it is hard to tell in which scenario we would be. So we will focus on the green scenario for now. But in this green scenario, I need to consider this as an A, B, C pattern that is developing, and I would expect in this pattern the C wave to actually reach the 100% extension level. Ideally, it's not a target that must be reached, and otherwise the count is not valid. It's more of an ideal target, the $83 level in this case. So looking at the shorter time frame, and I don't know why on this chart I don't get any more history on anything lower than the daily time frame, but there's nothing I can do about that for now, unfortunately. So yeah, on this time frame, I am looking at this movement and I consider it as a 5-wave move, where in the fifth wave I would expect another move to the upside to actually complete it. And let me make this smaller. And within this move to the upside, I would expect, or before this move to the upside, I would expect to hold the support zone for a fourth wave that would be down to $25.16. And if we break below this level, I would have quite high doubts that we would push directly higher. But for now, I do think that maybe we even completed this fourth wave to the downside, and we may be in an ending diagonal pushing directly to the upside. And if this is really the case, I could see that this was maybe an A, B, C, and now we are looking for maybe the C wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete a larger wave 1, and then I would expect not to fall, but yeah, not to fall below the $26.9 level and push in a third wave directly to the upside within this C wave. Now, as I said, this fourth wave still has some room to the downside. It could extend a bit longer, although I would prefer, based on proportions, that it would complete relatively soon. But for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. Keep in mind, in the large support zone, or larger, we are still within the bounds of a wave 4, and the risk is still reduced in this area. So if you really want to enter on this chart, it's not necessarily a bad timing. So yeah, as I said, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.